Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace your factory HID headlamps to an aftermarket very strong highest lumens LED conversion. So I have a situation where one of my HID head bulbs started to act weird and turns off automatically, and I always wanted to get an LED conversion done to my 17-year-old Lexus. So today I'm going to show you how to do just the same. Now in general, LEDs are proven to be working more efficiently. They last way longer than the conventional Xenon HID or halogen bulbs. Alright, so we're gonna start off by first removing this air filter. There are gonna be 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, and 4. After removing those clips, we have to remove the MAF sensor very carefully from the clip here. And then we're gonna loosen the hose clamp here, just slightly loose so that we can maneuver the cover out. So after removing the cover, we will get access to the filter. There'll be a good chance for us to inspect the condition of the air filter. If we need to replace it, we can do it, or we can just dust it off and reuse it. After that, we will remove the air filter housing base. And for that, we will remove the bolt that's placed here and the other bolt that's placed here. After that, we'll be able to remove the housing of the air filter to get access to this compartment. We will be able to remove this door for the light so we can install the LEDs. Now, while removing the base of the housing, we may have to remove this air intake extension here. Just remove the 2 bolts from here. Every bolt you see here are 10 mils, so it'll be easy for us to remove it with an extension. And on the other side, it is way easier. We just have to remove this with a 10 mil, and we have to remove the windshield fluid hose, and then we will get access to the HID housing door that's placed here on the yellow end. Before we move on in the episode, I want to take a second to thank our sponsor for today's episode. Today's episode is proudly sponsored by Oxido LED. I've personally purchased tons of LEDs in the past for my previous cars. I had a Chevrolet Cruze that I converted to LED, and that turned out amazing. Well, if you didn't know, let me tell you, Oxido LEDs are currently one of the best-selling LED manufacturers on Amazon throughout US and Canada. And their customers speak for their quality. So today in my HID conversion, I'm gonna use an Oxido DS4 LED conversion kit, and I'll show you the difference for before and after. So huge thanks to Oxido for sending me this LED conversion kit. As always, the link will be in the description, and if you wanna get % off across their website, use the code BuildFixCars. Now let's get down to it. Okay, so after removing the air intake housing, we get access directly to the light housing. There's this steel clip here. We move this forward this way. So when we move it forward, we get direct access to whatever is inside. So this one is the sealed housing. We will keep that aside for later. And then we can get direct access to the light here. Rotate it counterclockwise and we'll be able to remove it out this way, and then we will get the access to the light here. But before that, we have 2 clips that we need to remove. So the 2 clips will be one's here and the other one's here. If you can see, you just push it inside and outwards the same way on this side. Push it in and out. Okay, and that way we get access to the HID light. And it's very important that we wear the gloves that were provided by the manufacturer. And the reason is because if your HID light is working, for my case, this specific side of the HID bulb works absolutely fine. So I don't want to touch the glass side of it because the oil present in my hand could actually damage the good life of the bulb. So I'm going to carefully put this aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and install the aftermarket LED lights. So I'm going to take out the Oxido D4SR HID to LED conversion lights. And the idea here is that these LED lights should be a direct drop-in replacement for the HID headlights. So I'm going to go ahead and install it the same way I took out the OEM HID bulbs. So I have just connected the wires first to the LED light just to test out the connectivity of it, and I'm going to turn on the headlight and see if it works. Alright, so as you saw, that worked like a charm. So I'm going to move on to install the bulb inside the headlight. Alright, so I was able to install it inside now with all the housing and the wiring. So now let's go ahead and check the difference between this one, which is the Oxydo LED, versus this one, which is the factory OEM HID. Alright, as you can see, I am really impressed with Oxydo LED. The way it turns up, it really brightens up the whole place. You can compare the before and after on the screen. These LEDs turned out to be phenomenal, and I'm really impressed with the quality and the beam correction. And this HID to LED conversion was so simple, no adapters required, and the quality of the LED is phenomenal. Use the code BuildFixCars to get discount on any purchase on their website. And if you've learned something new, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you on the next one.